I'm going to show you guys how to change a battery on a 13-inch 2012 MacBook Pro. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and go up to the Apple button in the top left-hand corner. Click on that, go to Shut Down, press Shut Down. Once it's shut down, go ahead and unplug everything from your computer. We can go ahead and remove the case if there is a case on yours. If not, then you'll be one step ahead of us. So the battery that I got was this RayHom laptop battery from Amazon. It comes with all the tools you need. So now that we have our laptop with our case, start removing the screws on the back of the laptop. Get a Phillips, it's the yellow one. And somewhere along in this process, you'll find that I think 2 of these screws are a lot longer than the other screws. And those screws need to go back where they were. Yep. So these 2 are the long ones. Okay, so we're going to remove this bottom plate. So this one is just a 3 angle. And I think it's specific for the battery screws, and these screws are long as well. After having removed those screws, you can go ahead and gently pry open this battery connector. It just comes out like that. So now that the power connector is lifted, you can go ahead and remove the battery. I'm going to go ahead and vacuum this out and give it a good cleaning, and then we're going to install the new battery. But first, coffee. We're going to give this bad boy a go. So now that we've cleaned our MacBook out, we are going to install the new battery. So we're going to install this battery, set it in there like that. You got to kind of fold this one. The other one you didn't really need to because the way that the cords were shaped, and also just because the connections were shorter. We're going to go ahead and put this one in here. Once you got that in there, go ahead and just push. Now the battery is set in there, so we can do the long black screw to the battery on the right side. With the red tool, the 3-prong one. Yeah, we have to nudge this to the left for this screw to go back in. There we go. Okay. Maybe even a better idea is to start with the left screw. Battery's in there. Screws in there on the left one. Tighten down the right side again. Pretty snug. We're going to go ahead and clean out the lid now. We could clean this out a little bit better and go through each one of these with a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol, but I can't find any rubbing alcohol in my house, so we're just going to loosen up the dust in here and then do a quick vacuum once more. Cool. Now that the back plate is clean and dusted, we can go ahead and put everything back. So this part that has the cut goes towards this black bar. That's going to be the connecting part of the laptop. Just gently set this back on, go ahead and bust out those screws, and we're going to switch from the red back over to the yellow screw, which is all of these. And now that we did all the long ones, we can go ahead and just do the remaining small screws. Alright, now we're going to keep what we need to keep and throw the rest away. And go ahead and put the back plate back on, or the back cover or case if you have that. Once you have installed the new battery and started up the laptop again, go ahead and go to the Apple logo, go to About This Mac, go to System Report. On the left hand side, go to Power. And then here you'll see that the battery is installed. The current amperage, voltage, cycle count of 2, and condition is normal, and it looks like we successfully installed that battery. That is how you replace or install a new battery on a 2012 MacBook Pro 13-inch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and give this video a thumbs up down below. You guys have a great rest of your day. Take it easy. Peace.